What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and update on this service truck that I'm doing. Rented a sandblast unit, just a pot. We have a compressor, so tomorrow my plan is to sandblast all the bad areas on this and all the rusts and everything that I need to get rid of, and pretty much, get ready to paint it. Not much left on it, just the sandblasting. I just pressure washed it this morning, so now that's where we're at. So stay tuned and find out what's next. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm not finished yet. That's why it's not really clean on the inside, but I'm gonna have to vacuum that out anyway. Got the best that I could in here, and I ended up just doing everything on the outside. The only thing is that's leaking right there, so I'm just gonna let that leak since I have to do more sandblasting on Monday. There's a lot of water in that, probably why it rusted so bad, as you can see. Just pretty much spot blasted on the crane, nothing too crazy. Anything that had like a major rough surface, all that's gonna get sanded and blended in. And then everything was pretty much sandblasted. This is gonna be cut off, and I have to make a whole new piece there. The whole thing's messed up. And now you can see what we uncovered. So not only was it something stupid that they did, it was repaired really bad. I don't know what they used, but as you can see, it ripped. This is a patch right here, and then it's all welded there, really shitty. And then pretty much that's just there for no reason, because that's not going to do anything. Just gonna pretty much cut that area out and just repatch that up, and then do angle iron over top of it all the way down to the bottom. And then that'll be incorporated with this whole back end build. Got this all pretty much sandblasted all down the line there, all down the line here. Got most of it out, pretty much all good. And got all this sandblasted. Now, all I have to do is obviously sandblast all this and this entire side. Did what I could. Had a little issue with the sandblaster here and there, but got the majority of what I wanted done. Mainly the outside, all sandblasted, and then the frame and whatever I can get. The back end, anywhere where you're really gonna see anything that you're gonna see, I sort of wanted to get. And then it's just gonna get bondoed. This side is a little rougher when it comes to like all the rust spots and everything. But overall, it's not too bad. The frame cleaned up decent. Just gonna end up scraping all this stuff right here and wire wheeling it. Probably wire wheeling a bunch of the stuff on here, just to prep it. Got most of that in there. Not too worried about it, mostly glue left in there. And the crane, it's in pretty good shape until you got like to the base part of it, so I just sort of spot blasted around that and everything. So now this is pretty much done, ready for any body work that needs to be done, the fabrication that needs to be done, and over the wheel wells, so anything like this has to get all patched up and fixed. That way I can do my coating on it, prime it, do my coating, do the Raptor liner on top, and finally get the paint. So the body was the main part of this entire thing that really needed to be fixed and sort of updated. I'm doing a different color scheme. I'm not into white. Everybody has white, so I want to do something different. Means I have the ability to do this. I figured, why not? Anything like this, I just didn't want to hit any of the electrical panels or anything like that, so they just got a little dusty, and then the serial numbers and everything, so no big deal. And then the cab, just little spot pieces, you know, just come around and do what I need to, and pretty much this thing will be set to paint. The prime to paint, which is actually going to go up to my uncle's, and we're going to do it together, or however he wants to do it, but that's probably in a couple weeks. Pretty much I'm looking at middle of August, end of August, depending on what my schedule is and my uncle's schedule is. So stay tuned. You'll see some more fabrication videos, or you'll finally start seeing fabrication videos. And I hope you guys are enjoying the series. It's been a hell of a ride with this thing, but I'm glad we're finally getting further with it, and that I can document it for other people to sort of, you know, see how much is involved in doing this if they want to do anything like this. So thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed and want to subscribe, just hit that subscribe button down there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.